Welcome back, besties. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hey boo. And if you are returning, thank you for coming back. And just like, comment, and subscribe. So I am so sorry, y'all. I am so freaking sorry about the voiceover. I have a mic now, so no more voiceovers have to be done. So in this video, it's just a mini vlog of me getting my hair done and my wax. I'm an esthetician, licensed esthetician, so I do my own wax sometimes. So boom, now that we got that out the way, what hairstyles do y'all get in the summertime? I'm just now starting to grow my hair back, so I be looking for styles, protective styles. So what hairstyles do you use whenever you get whenever the winter time coming? Low maintenance protective styles. I used to wear braids a lot, but I'm so tired of braids that I guess I'm trying a hair situation out. But girl, that is so hard. So let me know what's your go-to hairstyle for the winter time. And I know y'all don't want to hear me talk the whole video, so just enjoy me getting my hair done. Y'all know how those maintenance days are, y'all. So just enjoy watching me get my hair done, and I'll be back in just a tad. And is it me, or am I the only person that loves getting nits on my hair? I love when they put that net on because that means I am protected from myself. All that scratching is out the window.
Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them to the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just don't you what you want. Oh, what it just put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just don't you what you want. Oh, what it just put it in the song. Alright.
And as you can tell, we were having good salon talk. Like, I ain't had no good salon talk in a minute. Me personally, I kind of like to chit chat on and off in my hair appointment. I don't want to just be completely dead silent, but I also don't want to be talking the whole appointment either. I need a little off and on, a little break. You know what I'm saying? And y'all, I know I'm late, but we was watching this balloon show of them popping the balloons, and I'm like, this low-key kind of good. Would you get on there? Let me know in the comments. And if your mama used to press your hair with the hot comb, you know why I was flinching. I got a little PTSD that's still with me as a grown woman. But if you used to get your hair pressed, you know. You know.
What you forward before? Say the fucking sing low.
I am back. So normally I would be getting my underarms done and my wax, my Brazilian at the same time, and I would be getting sugar. But I want to. But today or this week, it's been super busy up there. So me and the other girl or my manager that works for me, our schedules have been super jam packed. So I haven't been able to get my underarms done. Well, today is maintenance day. I do have a do rag on, baby, but today's maintenance day, so we're gonna get rid of these hairs, make it bald, and yeah, enjoy me doing that. No, I am a licensed esthetician, so I can do my own thing. Even if I wasn't, I could do my own thing, but I super know what I'm doing because I'm licensed. I do this for a living. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean it. I'm trying to see how will I do it actually. I'm here to start off by cleaning any like deodorant, whatever you got off on there. Take that off, baby. Take it off. I'm gonna turn this way so I can see. But take that off. Yeah. Oopsie. We're gonna get that all clean. And like I said, I normally like get my underarm sugar and my Brazilian sugar. But it's Thanksgiving. It's the week. Well, Thanksgiving gonna be next week, so it's kind of at that little point where everybody trying to get their stuff done. So it wasn't no openings at work. So luckily, I know how to do it by myself. So that's what we about to do. There we go. Powder that baby up. Powder that baby up. Get your wax stick. My wax pot over here. You're gonna get you some wax. Swirl it, baby. Swirl it. So if it's falling real quick, too hot. So you gotta like twirl it so the air can get in there and dry it off. It's really not that hot because it's not like you will know when it's too hot because that joint will fall. So this is pretty cool. Put that on there. And this is black coral wax. If you're an esthetician, I like them. Like they chilling. But I mainly like sugar. But like I said, it's busy. This is how her look. Time to pull. None of this dry. This is the part I hate the most. Okay. That's why I like sugar. 1, 2. The cleanup strip on. Put the little clean out. Yes, ma'am. Little self-care, little maintenance. Pull out that second baby. I don't want that bad because it was only a few, but you still felt them few. On the arm, same thing. We on arm 2. Arm 1 bald headed. It's arm 2. You know what I mean? Get that on, spread that on nice and neat. It's kind of hard doing it by yourself. Well, not really, but it's easier when you're doing somebody else. But I still know what I'm doing. Now my application don't look as smooth as if I would be doing somebody else, but it's kind of hard to see. But full time, y'all. We scared. It hurt. Sugaring is a little uncomfortable too. Don't let me have y'all think of sugar ain't uncomfortable, baby, because it is. But I just don't like this hard wax shit. We good though. We here. One more strip. Second strip to pull off. That big gonna probably still hurt. I have my arms feeling, but it hurt. Okay, so we ain't doing that good on this one because we need a third strip. Stop. One more time. with no hair. I'm gonna like put some oil up under there. Well, not really oil. At work we use Finipil. I just use this hydrating cream. Ooh. Get that up under there. And we shine like new. I do got some dark marks under there, but hey, y'all know when you used to shave, you get those dark marks. And I know y'all can't see that it's like super clear because this one got so many dark marks on it. But it's clear. That's from shaving. I want to get like a little lightning trimming up under there because down here, like it's a whole bunch of hair the whole time. It's just dark marks. So I do want to get like a little lightning trimming, but I'm scared. I'm really mad that y'all can't see that it's like fully clean because of the because of the dark mark. And y'all, it's no hair under here. And y'all really can't see it. Like, cause look, they both scarred up. One day, it's gonna be scar free. One day. All right, y'all, I'm back. I'm gonna do me some DIY lashes. Cause I don't leave them on long enough for me to be like getting them, you know. But yeah, ladies, love yourself. Cause this, I got a nigga though, but y'all, for the ones who don't, because that don't, yeah. We finna go out. My friend got us to go out because we don't go out, but we're gonna go out with her. And so I'm just getting ready. See, I got the flexies in my hair. Moogler. Yeah. So I'm gonna do like a little cute little natural set. Nothing too dramatic. Little cute, little natural, little heme. I don't know if I want to do my eyebrows because I'm loving the way I look. I like the way I look without makeup, but I don't wear makeup. So I'm like, hey, let's do a little 1, 2, 3, maybe just a 1, 2. But yeah, so you just gonna dab it a little bit right here. And if the beat live, you know, Lil Ju made it. Cause he said it's I don't know how I really can trust. To feel like something. Ooh, I can't even do my lashes because I'm so teed up. I'm gonna just come back. Hold on. What you? I'm done with being humble because I know that I'm that girl. I never gave him sex. I'm not nice. Doo. Young gun Shay. I want you to dog this, whip it like a trap house. What's up? It's Megan, and I'm from South Park. And if it's about some money, we can. What he say? Looking like a legend when I slide up gently. Stupid. The girl's hot headed. So we come out. No, it's too many.